each the respective countries? And this is the correct answer, the flag of each country. Let's try again for the next game. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences with countries and nationalities from the box. And here's is the answer. Great job, little friends. Singapore. One of its most famous landmarks is the Colosseum in Rome. It is Italy. The tower was built in 1889 and is over 300 meters tall. It is France. Label the flags with the country names. El Salvador, Ireland, Uruguay, Peru, New Zealand, Turkey.